Signify lights up Bangalore, strengthens premium lighting presence with 3 new Philips Smart Light Hubs. Bangalore, 19th December 2025, tapping India's dynamic customer base, Signify, Euronext, Light, the world's leading lighting company, marks the grand inauguration of 3 new Philips Smart Light Hubs, SLH, in Bangalore. Launched on a single day, these strategic additions highlight Signify's commitment to delivering innovative and immersive lighting experiences to consumers, architects, and interior designers across the city. As consumers increasingly gravitate towards premium, design-led and smart lighting solutions, Bangalore stands out as a pivotal market. As India's innovation and IT capital, Bangalore has a high concentration of tech-forward customers who are early adopters of smart home automation and place strong value on modern, decorative design. This demographic readiness combined with the thriving real estate landscape makes Bangalore the ideal, high-impact market for our triple launch. Commenting on the milestone launch, C. Arun Kumar, Head of Consumer Business, Signify Greater India said, Bangalore continues to be a key market for us, driven by consumers who embrace both functionality and innovative design. We have 328 stores across India now. The simultaneous launch of 3 new Philips Smart Light Hubs, anchored by our largest premium store, is a significant step in our journey. These immersive hubs will allow customers, architects, and interior designers to truly explore the transformative potential of our smart and decorative lighting portfolio, reinforcing our commitment to delivering cutting-edge solutions. Located across prime locations in Bangalore, these stores feature an exclusive experience center including a wide range of smart, connected, and decorated lights. These stores are designed to meet the customer's home lighting requirements.
My name is Arun. I'm head of consumer business for Signify Innovation India, and I'm extremely happy to be here. And today is the most important day for us. The first time we are inaugurating 3 stores, that too in Bangalore in one day. So we have like this. This is the smart home format for us. Pan India, we have about 328 stores, and in Bangalore alone, this is our 19th store. And in entire southern region, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra, we have 94 stores. And first time, so we inaugurated 3 stores, so which is the big milestone for us. And this is where consumers they can come and buy all sort of lighting requirement for their homes, right from normal bulbs to the connected bulbs and all the premium product, anything that is required from good, better, best, everything is available here.
Sir, what is unique in your store, sir?
You will get all sort of lighting requirement application for your house. So you need not go to different places. So if you are making a house, whether it is a small house, mid-size flat or big villa, big bungalow, they can come here and they can see all the product, and they can also see how the application is and what light can do, because lighting is not just a lighting. You switch on the light, comes and it goes. So how good in terms of for your eyes, so as a safety, and what sort of brightness that is required for different applications. So all those solutions you will get. So it will be a consultative selling rather only selling the product.
Sir, what is the starting price of the lights?
You get starting 75 rupees up to 2.5 lakh rupees. You have the product here. So depending on your requirement, all sort of application you will get.